Hi everyone, Chris here from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today we're talking about driving lesson prices. So what price should you pay for your driving lesson? Obviously you want your driving lessons as cheap as possible, but cheap doesn't always mean quality. Sometimes you're better off paying a higher price per hour and doing less hours than paying less, but then sitting at the side of the road and spending more time talking than driving. Don't necessarily go on the price per hour, but instead speak to the instructor about roughly how many hours it takes the average learner with them to pass their driving test. As a guide, the rough, according to the DVSA, guide to driving is that the average learner takes 47 hours of practice with an instructor plus 20 hours of private practice. For any more information, please visit our website at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.